So, hi dear Cancerians, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Cancerian Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. And the third thing, this is a reading from today till the end of December. So, let's start. So, your partner's current feelings for you right now are, let's see, Cancer. Your partner's current feelings for you right now are, let's see, your partner's current feelings for you right now are, let's see, the World. Okay, I feel like your partner is feeling like the connection is over or there's a completion of a cycle, but yet there's something that is left. There's some kind of unfinished business between you and this person. This is what they're feeling right now. Okay, might be you guys had a mutual separation or had a fallout or had a breakup or whatever it is, whatever it was actually. This person is feeling like there's something that is still unfinished in this connection. Let me clarify. The World card. I'm having gray hair here, like getting old. Never mind. So yeah, let's clarify the World. The Star, the Two of Wands, and the King of Swords. Okay, yes, this person is very hopeful that everything is going to be fine in the near future. They are healing. They feel like this connection is healing. You are healing. Okay, they feel like having a connection with you again, because I can see that this person is somehow trying to uh, what should I say, this person is trying to hide their emotions. They're waiting for you. They're waiting for you. They're still waiting, and they're still hopeful that there's something that is yet unfinished and that you are going to reconnect with them or communicate with them. So this person is very hopeful and positive about the future of this connection, at least about a communication between you guys. This person is quite positive about this. Okay, so this is what this person is feeling right now about you, about this connection. Let me see what you feel for them. Your feelings for them, Cancer. What are your feelings for them? What do you feel for this person right now? Nine of Cups. Okay, I feel like you feel this person is your wish fulfillment. Wish fulfillment. So whenever they are around you, you feel really good, really hopeful. You enjoy life. Okay, or it could also be possible that you're manifesting this person in your life, and you are getting some kind of communication or message or something from this person. Okay, and that's why you are feeling like, yeah, this is a wish fulfillment, or in general way I can say that this person really makes you happy. Whenever they're around you, you feel like, yes, this is what I want, this is the energy that I want in my life. Okay, I'm really sorry for my bad hair today. It's like a bad hair day, you can say. Yeah, so let's clarify the Nine of Cups as your feelings for them. The Nine of Swords and the Hanged Man and the Five of Cups. You are very sad, you are very anxious, you are very depressed, you are not able to sleep, you're stuck somewhere. You are feeling stuck somewhere, and you are feeling stuck on this person. This person's absence is really making you sad and depressed, and you're actually not able to sleep. Even you're thinking a lot, constantly thinking about this person. This is what you are feeling about this person. You feel like, yes, this person is your wish fulfillment. Without them, there's nothing in your life. Without them, there's nothing that makes you happy. This is your current feelings for this person. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. Let's see what this person wants from you. Cancer, let's see what this person wants from you. Judgment. Okay, this is card of forgiveness. This person wants to forgive you. This person wants a forgiveness from your side. This person wants to have a reconciliation with you, Cancer. This is what they want from you. Okay, Judgment card is like they want you to judge. They want you to judge the future. They want you to judge the past and the present and the current energy of the situation, and they want you to let go of the past situation and restart again and have a reconciliation with this person. This is what this person wants from you. Let me clarify the Judgment card. Let me see. The Four of Swords, yes, healing. And Six of Pentacles and the Fool. Definitely this person wants to have a brand new beginning with you. They want you to heal the situation. They want you to look back and take a step back in everything and understand that bringing balance in the situation is mandatory. Whether it was your fault or whether it was their fault, whatever it was, they just want you to analyze and understand that there is something that is still sparking between you guys. They feel like they should have a brand new beginning with you, and they want this from your side. They want you to forgive and forget and move ahead and take the leap of faith with them. Take the risk of your life, risk of a relationship or risk of love with them. This is what they want from you. This is what I'm getting here. Okay. Let's see what you want from this person, Cancerians. Sun, you want this person, you want them, what you want from them is a realization. You want them to realize something, you want them to expand their horizon, expand their mental state, expand their emotions, and you want them to realize something and be happy with that something. Okay, that realization should bring happiness in this connection. This is what you want from them. Let me clarify the Sun card as what you want from them. This is like you want happiness with this person. I can see that. Okay, you just want happiness with this person, but I feel like more it's about happiness. Yes, I can see that, but more of it should be like expanding their horizon, understanding something, realizing something, some kind of awakening. This is what you want from them. Let me clarify the Sun. The Six of Wands and the Queen of Swords and the Hierophant. Okay, you want them to understand that this connection is not merely a connection. This is a soulful connection, and this could turn into a long-term committed relationship and or marriage. This is what you want from this person. You want them to open up. You want them to realize, you want them to realize your worth. This is you. You want them to understand that you are kind of mini celebrity. You have options in your life. You have better things to do in your life, and you are interested in the marriage part and or the long-term committed part in your life. Can you see that? You could be dealing with a Taurus here. The signs that I'm majorly getting here is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, and this is what they want from you. They want you to open up. They want you to stop cutting out people, stop being so fake, or stop being so logical in matter of hearts, and understand that matter of hearts doesn't require logic. This requires only love and expansion of your heart chakra, compassion. This is what you want from them. You want them to understand that this is a soulful connection and it can turn into a marriage and or a long-term committed relationship in the future. Okay, this is what you want from this person. Yeah. Okay, let's see what to expect from this person till the end of December or end of 2021. Let's see what to expect from this person till end of December. High Priestess. I feel like I don't see communication coming in from this person till the end of December, because they will be still in this contemplating mode, understanding mode, thinking about the pros and cons, thinking about all the things that went wrong and all the things that they can make good. So it's like listening to their intuition and trying to interpret each and everything in their life. Okay, this is what this person is doing. Literally, I don't see communication coming in. This is all about emotions and wants, but I don't see action. I don't see any action from this person, to be very honest. Let me clarify the High Priestess. Death, King of Pentacles, Three of Swords. This person is healing. After this breakup, after this heartbreak, this person is silent because they are healing. This is like King of Pentacles energy. They are trying to be mature. They are trying to be practical. They are trying to be more grounded, and they are trying to focus on their stability right now because they're deeply heartbroken. And this heartbreaking thing, or this, what should I say, this breakup thing, this separation thing changed them completely. So that's why they are being silent right now. Could be dealing with a Scorpio here. Okay, or another earth sign again, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So that's why they're taking their time to heal and understand things from a different perspective, and then might be in the future they will try to connect with you or reconnect with you. Okay, This is what I'm getting here. So even if they're in contact with you, even if they are, talking to you, I don't see them having, a participation or a happy participation in this connection right now, because they are in this phase of contemplating, thinking a lot, understanding things logically with mind rather than the heart. That is the problem here. Let's see what is the guidance for you guys. Ace of Pentacles. So I feel like, yes, they will come out and they will talk to you, but they will take time. And what the universe is telling me to tell you is that you should have a breakthrough. You should talk to them. You should reconnect with them. If you want this connection to work out, you should take the step further. Okay, don't wait for them to take any kind of initiative, or don't just wait for them, to talk to you, to propose you, or to say something to you. Just you can also take the initiative. You can also have a brand new start with this person. Okay, or it could also mean that you should focus on your money, your stability, your job, whatever it is related to your finances. You should focus more on that right now. The love part will be handled by the universe. Okay, this is what I'm getting here. So thank you so much, Cancerians, for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.